iPad. Yes, everybody knows that an iPad is like an additional device that we use at schools. Like ours at Aptokisset Junior High School. Yes, we use iPads. Here is a tutorial for you to learn how to use the iPad. This is your lock screen. And this is your home screen. And these are your apps. In my iPad, I like using these group apps, so I have a lot more space. If you like doing these group apps, you can watch this video that's coming up. You can even rename your apps or group apps. Here it is. In all iPads, you should have this. So you just swipe from the corner of your screen and you get this. Here's a video. In your iPads, you should also have this app. This is very important because this is basically your main source of the iPad. So it won't really gonna let you delete it because it's really important. This is called settings. It can control all your iPads. You can also sign up some passwords, change your wallpaper, and also control some apps and change your notifications. This is how your iPad should look like from settings. Mine's black because I just chose from color themes. You can also change it from here too. Now it's time for the fun part. Let's meet some apps. This app you should already know, and you basically have this app too. This app is called Calendar. It tells you what day it is. Like, yeah, today is Thursday, 2nd of April. This app, you should also have it too. It won't actually delete it either. So this app is called Photos. It's where you find all your photos from years ago and also from your photo albums. This app you should also have. Its name is Clock. It tells you the time, but not only the time, just because of the handles and everything, but it also gives you some other options too, like stopwatch, time lapse, and also timer. It can also give you times from other parts of the world. Now let's check out this group app. Basically there's so much apps, but I'm gonna show you some that are really known today, like Aptokisset. This app should all of us as Aptokisset Junior High students should have. This is called Schoology. It's where we find our courses and find our notifications and get messages from teachers and also writings. This app is very popular in the school, even though it's their first year having it. This is called Power School. It's where we find and check our grades and check if we have any missing assignments. Very important. This app is also very known too. This app is called Notability. Notability is an app that we use to put our assignments and write them up, type, and also use stencils and copy. We can also write on them with our own fingers. This app is very known too. This is called Docs. Docs is basically a type of write-up where we can use type and also makes our summaries or stories of whatever the teachers tell us to do. This is basically the app you can use to type summaries, make some notes, and even create some stories. This app is very popular around the school. This app is called Slides. Slides is like what you use to do presentations. You can write up, put photos in it, and create your own creativity. This is mostly used for presentations or questions. So you can also do whatever you want in it. This app connects with docs and slides. This app is called Google Drive or Drive. Google Drive is an app that connects with, like I said before, connects with docs and slides, and some other apps too. But it also actually connects everything and tells you everything of what you have done in the past weeks or days. This app is called iMovie. iMovie is basically an app where you can make anything you like, put photos and record your voice, and also put some music. It's basically also a presentation slide, but you can also make some other things that you like. Oh, I almost forgot some apps. This is Gmail. It's basically where you get all your mails, and also some from Schoology, and I also get some from Canva. I'll show you that in a bit. And this one is called Seesaw. Seesaw is an app where you can put your projects, take photos, and doodle all around them, or write some important stuff, and also record yourself. Zoom. Yes, it's an app that's very recently come to our iPads. Let me tell more about it. Zoom is an app where we can have meetings, and since the coronavirus has basically went around here, this is a very good app. We can actually see each other's faces and see your teachers. You can also wait to communicate and have some fun seeing each other. This is Art Studio. I basically using it really recently. Well, Art Studio is an app where you can draw. Like here in Aptakisik, some of the teachers will actually ask you to do an Art Studio. Art Studio has a lot more things than you expect. Coloring. Well, yeah, the point of Art Studio is basically coloring, but you can also have some more fonts and more textures to your painting. Oh, remember about Canva? Well, this is it. Canva is an app where you can design your own posters. Like, for example, you have an invitation, you can put that in there, and Canva will find you a perfect invitation card for you to send, and you can actually decorate it yourself. You can even make one yourself. Oh, I won't even forget about this app, Clips. I'm actually using it right now. Clips is an app where you can design and make posters inside, and yeah, like this textbooks that I'm talking in. You can also use that, and yeah, you can also put stickers like this yellow line up here. Thanks for watching my video. And I hope this tutorial had helped you to learn how to use the iPad.